What's going on, guys? It's Bryce Effects, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a live trade that I am in on NASDAQ. So as you can see, currently in profit by 2.3k on NAS. I did actually take a trade earlier, but it hit break even pretty much, so it's another trade. But yeah, I've been looking at trading NASDAQ recently because NASDAQ has been looking a lot better recently. It's been going on a very strong downtrend at the moment. With gold, it's quite good. Gold actually went bullish today. I was going to trade gold, but I don't like to trade too many things at the same time, so I just thought, let me just focus on NAS right now. But yeah, gold has been looking good. Also, NAS has been looking good. There's a lot of volatility today in the market, so yeah, it's all been looking good. But I'm just gonna wait until this hits TP and see where it goes. But yeah, let me actually talk you through this trade. So on NASDAQ, what I did is I went onto the daily. The upside's been broken on a previous daily high, right? But you can see that the candles failed to close above that previous daily high, suggesting that the market can continue going bearish. So if we go into the 4 hour, you can see that candle failed to close above the previous daily high. And what happened? It started to reverse. And from what this looks like now, the 4 hour is starting to form a bearish engulfing. So it could actually continue all the way to the previous daily low. So if we go to the 1 hour, you can see it's still continuing bearish. And yeah, it's quite a very strong trend right now to the downside. So in terms of how I look for my trades, I always make sure I start with the daily, and the daily would pretty much determine my directional bias for the day. If you go to the daily, you can see that the trend has been going bearish for a very long time. Since, let's say, okay, so here's where it broke structure to the downside. Basically, the beginning of the month, since 3rd of March, it's been going very strong trend to the downside. So that's exactly why I am sticking to sales on NASDAQ. And in terms of my plan for this month, I think I'm just going to trade NASDAQ and gold. Those are the only two things I trade at the moment, primarily focused on NASDAQ at the moment. Gold does seem like it wants to keep going bullish. I think if it breaks this level here, it could continue going bullish. Matter of fact, I do think gold could possibly go to about 3,000. I don't know when, but I do believe these highs will be broken in a couple of weeks time. But we'll see, we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm back. I actually closed the trade. So we closed at a 2.3k profit. Not too bad. Now, the reason why I closed it slightly early is because, one, I didn't want to get too greedy and hold out only for it to start reversing. So I was like, you know what, let me take my profits now. It's better to just take profits, you know, instead of just letting the market reverse and then you give all your profits back to the market. It just don't make any sense. So obviously close out for a 2R, not too bad. Risking 1% to make 2%, so risking 1,000 to make 2,000. But on this I made 2,300, so it's already more than what I was expecting to make anyway. Do you know what I mean? So it's a good day for me. 2R trade, not too bad. I'll be probably looking to get into another trade this week. This is actually the second trade this week, I believe, so not too bad. You can see I actually took a trade earlier. Only lost $117. The reason why I exited that trade is because, one, I entered the wrong lot size. It was 2, which is way too small for a 100k account. But yeah, luckily it was just a small loss, and closed out with a good profit today. So yeah, not too bad. This week I'm at 3.1k profit, so I think I took a trade earlier this week as well. Yeah, not too bad. So yeah, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be showing you more of my live trades. So yeah, it's Bryce Effects, and I'm out.